excited today because it's our first group ride of 2025. We got Beaker here, and in the back behind us there, we got Olin and Ba, and we're heading out to the Kokopelli Trailhead. It's 46 degrees in January.
The rest of it, except the final downhill, was good. Because the final downhill was kind of scary.
But is that the first time you attempted the final downhill and rode the whole thing?
Yeah, I did. I never wiped out on it, but just scary.
But by summer, I bet you'll be shredding that thing. So how old are you? How old are you going to be next month?
8.
Next month?
Yeah.
And you're going to have a Nerf fight?
Yeah. A Nerf fight at the rec center.
Sounds pretty cool.
And also there's going to be a little basketball thingy.
Awesome.
Pull it. There you go. Pull it. Good job. You all right?
Yeah. My leg's caught.
Good job. Oh! He is scratching his head. That last corner is up.
That's my my shoe stuff.
Elbow guard.
Did you get a cactus on that one, buddy?
No, not a cactus. That was nice. Would have been moving. And also, I lost all my momentum. So now I gotta get it back. I don't know where my pedals are, so then I lose even more momentum.
Nice car.
I like cattle guards because they're fun.
Yeah. This one's got more arc.
This one got more to it.
Recovery.
Remember when you got cactus over here?
I too remember when I got cactus over here.
Okay.
You got it, you got it. Lost your momentum.
I know my lines.
You gotta get off your feet for the cattle guard.
Olin.
Nice.
That's so smooth. I like just a plain little round. I like reading these signs.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, this is scary. Ah.
Take it easy, pedal through, steer through. Nice.
I had to walk that part because this was the first trail that I ever did.
Take a walk longer.
Woo!
Come smoother.
We learned that in Bone Shakers.
Cool. I learned that the hard way. When you don't do it, you get fucked up.
As you can see, I replaced the rule sign on my bike with a Bone Shaker sticker.
Perfect.
Because
You doing that again this year?
you don't really need rules, you
Doing
just
that
need
basketball?
Bone Shakers to get to know the rules. Man, that's beautiful.
Great.
This trail is nice and wide,
Okay.
so I can do whoop, 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 whoop.
All right. We're really rocky next. Pedal, pedal, pedal.
That's what mountain bikes are made for. You just go over it. You just pedal on a rock.
Yep.
You'll just go over it.
Pedal, pedal through them.
I'm trying to give you room, but I'm trying to go fast at the same time. Catch up, ball. I hate it when you lose your pedals,
Oh yeah.
and you're like, these guys are ones that I hate. They're slow and painful. And also that little guy just made it 90% harder. Including this, I'm gonna have to stop.
Alright, keep your line, buddy.
I don't want to go up
He
this.
said no line.
And also, where's the trail?